Hello my friends and welcome to episode 16, Heads and Tails. Input contains results of 100 coin flips. Output the winner, heads or tails, whichever wins the majority of time. If equal, output draw. So this is accounting, basically account words. Let's say every time it is tails, I do reg plus 1, every time is heads, I do integer plus 1, and in the end I compare them too. Yeah, it's easier said than done because one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too bad. I thought I will just count letters and use that, but okay. So there is how to check strings. Check if string is John. Yeah, so I can do this check. All I do is string equals input. I save first input. Then I check it. Check if how it was. Oh no, check string equals and word. Check string equals, let's say tails. Tails. That's it. If true, no, jump if true. Don't remember. Jump if true, jump if false. Yeah, yeah. It was right. Jump if true. True. So there is true. If it's true, reg equals reg plus 1. Oh, but how I gonna know when all numbers are done? Okay, it's gonna be a bit tricky. So I will put a countdown at the beginning. Wait a minute, but alright. So reg gonna be countdown. Not cool. I will be able to save just one number. Reg equals 100. Start. So we put red to 100. Take first input. Check if string is tails. Probably I needed to check for false better. Okay, a bit wrong. Integer equals integer plus 1. Because I'm counting only one number, all I have to do is this. Check string equals tails. So I'm counting now heads. I check if it's tails. If it's tails, I do nothing. If it's not tails, I count plus 1 here. Also, after, I need to reg equals reg minus 1 and go to start. Jump to start. It's not the first, I mean it's not, code is not done yet. Right now it's supposed to count down 100 and count all the heads. Let's see if it does. So I write down 100, write down tails, check, remove 1 from jump to start. This is tails, so it's 1. Again tails. Something was wrong. Oh, I count heads, not tails. So, didn't count first one. Count second. Didn't count, count. It looks alright. I think it counts alright. Heads. It does only half of the job though. We also need to implement count. It stops when this reaches 0. That's mean extra check always. Yeah. When it reaches 0, we must do something special. So we always need to check after we do -1. Or no. So it starts with 100. We do everything. Then we minus. Yeah, after minus we need check for sure. Jump if reg equals 0. Oh, that's not how it works. Check reg equals 0. Jump if true to next. Okay, this should work. Oops. But it did end in the next, so it was alright. I just wish... why you don't stop? Yeah, I think checking gonna be too long. Wait a minute. Oh. He jumps. Somehow. When it shouldn't jump. So it goes here. Start. Puts input. Checks. Jump if true to true. But it jumps here. What the hell? Why? Maybe next is not good? Let's call it part 2. Maybe this will fix it. I don't understand. Jump if true to true. There is true. Why he jumps so far? Is this a bug? Check if tails. True. Jump if true to true. That is true. It should jump here. I don't understand. Maybe there is some kind of bug. What the hell? Check string equals tails. It is equal tails. Jump if true to true. What's going on? You know, it did work before. What if I remove this part? Will it still jump so far? Don't understand. Maybe this next thing is... What? Label. Next does not exist. Yeah, but why you go next? You need to go here. Don't understand. Oops. He somehow straight away goes here. Oh, I see, because... Okay, because true. You know, this little word looks exactly like this. So it doesn't check like the beginning of the line. He simply jumps whatever this word is. So weird. I need to check. Maybe well, if I will not call it true, it will be okay. I will call just yes. This is actually a very big problem if it does like that. So, tails, true, we don't count. We remove reg 1. Check if reg is 0. Jump if true to next. No. We go jump to start, and there is next. Like that. It should never reach next. Okay, we somehow figured this out. So now it's counting down, and when it reaches 0, it goes here. So now the second part. Now we need to compare. We output heads or tails. Okay. So we do reg equals 100 minus integer. No, maybe we don't need it. Because, okay, what it counts I already forget. So it counts heads. So here in integer window we have count of heads. If that number is bigger than 50, we know it's winner. So all we have to do is check if it's bigger than 50. And if it's smaller than 50, then winner is tails, and we just write tails. So check integer. It could be equal as well. So we first check equal 50. If true, no, it's not how you write. Jump if true. Jump if true. Draw. There is text draw. I'm telling you, he gonna again jump to wrong place. Out. Output equals draw. So if it's equal to 50, it jumps to draw. If it's not equal to 50, it goes this line. And now we check. Check integer bigger than 50. If true, no. Jump if true. It's two heads. This is wrong. So it jumps to head and says output equals heads. Jump to new. Yeah, after he writes it, it need to jump at the beginning. So I will write one more new. So check if bigger than 50. If it's bigger than 50, if true, to heads. So it's bigger than 50, it goes to heads. If it's not bigger than 50, it continues and it says output equals tails. Jump to new. Well, I hope it works. Let's try. But I'm not gonna wait 100 till it reaches this point. We will have to just look at it. Passed. Okay, we are pretty close to minimum. We have 24 instead of... We don't have 24, we have 22. Or maybe we have 24, I just don't see. Yeah, many people have done this. Although we are in the low part, some people have do 20 lines. I will do it that later. So, this puzzle took about half hour, 25 minutes. Thanks for watching and see you next episode. Bye.